So guys, this see my yam. Omari family is not brown yam. Hey, it's mommy's food. Oh goodness, so yummy.
A bell. So guys, I'm here to check something I'm going to wear. But also me whisper. Now you see this shoe. My size, this is 40. I'm wearing 41. A bell. I'm shopping for myself. This leggings. So guys, right now I'm going to take bus. I will come back maybe on Tuesday. I will be free at work. I will come back. So today no. So guys, so there is one Pakistan shop where they're selling fruit, vegetable. So I want to go and buy fruit there. So see, bus 7 is coming. So this is the shop on the Pakistan. Yeah, they don't have yam. No. Non ce l'hai yam? Proprio oggi. Ce l'hai plantain? Plantain? Good afternoon to me, Weluji. Get in there. Mbana normal video. I'll take one video here. So guys, I'm here to buy yam in Auntie Sarah's shop. So Let me check. Okay. Now I'm taking away. Come and wait for me. So this is African shop. That place I went, it doesn't have yam. No, what a plantain. Okay. Should I? Anya?
Guys, I'm back. I just bought a few things. We have yam. This yam. €5. €5, 40 cents. This chekere yam. I hope no get one no melele. €5, 45 cents. You know. So, but I will not be cooking yam this night. I wanted to cook yam, but I will not be cooking yam. You know, normally it's light in the night for our dinner. So tomorrow being Saturday, I will be cooking it. So I'll take you along. So keep the yam there. Okay. My baby. And I got egg. I have egg, but I don't like it. I want to finish, no, mama. After I'll eat it. And I bought this segano, chipola, and carrots. Carrot. And I bought preseason. I went to Coke also. And I have my levito for my pork. So guys, my children now they don't like meat pie again, and they buns I'm not too good at making buns. But now they are loving my puff. All of them, especially baby Alex. No, when I'm talking on top, especially baby Alex, he loves puff so much. So maybe on Sunday I'll make it puff for them. So this bag is for my meat pie. I went to Moderna to deliver my meat pie. Well, I can't keep the bag there. And here, guys, I bought this Vaseline. You like it? Our Vaseline is finished. We are using Nigerian one. It's my sister that normally buy it for me in Nigeria. But it's finished. So I said, let me try this. I haven't tried it this is my first time trying it. I don't know whether it's from Nigeria or Ghana or US. I don't know. But this is my first time. Let's try it here. Yeah? So that is it. Okay. I don't know how it's. Also, guys, my children don't even don't rub Vaseline on their face, yeah. But they say that it's good for face. But my children don't disturb me. Don't rub Vaseline on their face. Wait, when I finish talking, you know, they have the cream they are using. Normally buy their cream in Coke. Sorry guys, in pharmacy. So Vaseline, we are making use of Vaseline in our leg, in their hand, because I don't like seeing all these white things, you know. And their heads also that you wish cold. Don't age you when you Vaseline. So that's why I bought this since my Nigerian Vaseline have finished. So let's try this. I'm not hearing anything. So that is it. Tomorrow I'll be making egg sauce and yam. Come and say hello.
Hello.
Love you. And God bless you. So I'm going to it's bomb. So guys, this see my yam. Omari family is not brown yam. Hey, yam costs a lot. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger Bears in English. So this is Saturday afternoon. I'm about to prepare our lunch. Love you, stay tuned. So guys, I'm gonna show you. So I did not cut all of them. I left small for Njime Julie, you know. So that is it. Okay, my yam is ready. So guys, our yam with egg sauce is ready. Guys, come and join us. Come and join us. Jima desi ederine. I look as in which my drone joyful. Oh my gosh. We can't like it so. It doesn't matter whether it's it. Okay. Baby Alex, are you going to eat?
Yeah, yes.
You eat yam?
Yes.
Okay, so let me bring baby Alex plate. It's mommy's phone. Oh, goodness. So yummy. Come and join us. Thanks for watching till now. And see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. What's up? Hey, man,